You've watched 100 self-improvement videos. You feel motivated for a day, then relapse. Why? Because you've never been pushed into the fire. 30 days, no apps, no shortcuts, no audience, just war. If you skip a single day, close this video. You're already dead. But if you're still here, let's begin your erasure. Phase 1. Burn the ships. This isn't detox, this is a purge. Delete everything that rewards you without effort. Instagram, TikTok, Netflix, YouTube Shorts. If it gives you dopamine without struggle, destroy it. Go to your kitchen. Trash every snack, soda, energy drink. Not saved for cheat day, not just a little. Trash it. You're not a rehab center for weak decisions. Write these on your mirror. Comfort is the enemy. Who do I become if I don't quit? Daily rules. 5 a.m. wake up, cold shower. Walk 10 minutes every morning, no phone. Bed by 10 p.m. By day 3, your brain will beg you to quit. Good. That's weakness dying. Phase 2. The warrior protocol. Now you're empty. Let's rebuild without noise. Take a freezing cold shower. No countdowns, no build-up. Step in. Take it. Let it hurt. Lift like a machine. No music. No mirror selfies. Just grind. At 8 p.m., open your notebook. Write 3 sentences. What I avoided today, what I conquered, what I will destroy tomorrow. This isn't a fitness program. This is a psychological cleanse. You're training your mind to crave the uncomfortable. By day 14, your body looks tighter. Your face leans out. But more importantly, your excuses, silent. Phase 3. Enter the silence. Silence is your new weapon. No podcasts, no background noise. Just you and your thoughts. Say the truth to someone you've been lying to. Do one thing that terrifies you. That DM, that apology, that leap. This is the breaking point. Most people relapse here because the voice of truth finally shows up, and it's louder than comfort. Let it speak. Let it destroy the old you. Phase 4. Savage mode unlocked. You've gone too far to quit. Now we go all in. 48-hour dopamine fast. No phone, no music, no screens. Just water, walks, journaling, and your own demons. Workout, push 10% harder. Reading, go deeper. Writing, journal your darkness. Don't hide. Every night whisper to yourself, the old me would have quit by now. You're not that man anymore. You killed him. Don't look in the mirror on day 30. Don't post it. Don't share it. Sit still, breathe, and ask yourself, what's left to burn? Because now you've seen it. Change isn't about motivation. It's about murder. Murdering every habit, lie, and identity that kept you average. If you're still here, you're not average anymore. You're reborn. Don't share this video. Don't tag anyone. If they needed it, they'd be here. Comment day 0 if you're ready to disappear and return unrecognizable.